We've all been there. You walk into a room and forget why. You struggle to recall a name. Frustrating, right? Memory is fundamental to our lives. It shapes our identities, fuels our interactions, and empowers our learning. Yet, it's often taken for granted until it starts to falter. The good news? You can enhance your memory naturally. Imagine your brain as a muscle. Just like any muscle, it needs the right fuel and regular exercise to function optimally. By adopting brain-healthy habits, you can unlock your memory's full potential. Forget expensive supplements and complicated brain games. Ready to embark on this journey to a better memory? Let's dive in. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your brain requires specific nutrients to function at its best. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides antioxidants and essential vitamins and minerals that protect brain cells from damage. Consider blueberries, often hailed as memory champions. Packed with antioxidants, they combat oxidative stress, a major culprit in memory decline. Similarly, fatty fish, such as salmon, are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for brain cell structure and function. Incorporating these brain-boosting foods into your diet is like giving your memory a VIP upgrade. But it's not just about adding the good stuff, it's also about limiting the bad. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive unhealthy fats can impair memory and increase the risk of cognitive decline. By making conscious food choices, you're essentially investing in the long-term health and vitality of your memory. Fuel your brain right, and it will reward you with enhanced cognitive function and clarity for years to come. The benefits of exercise extend far beyond physical fitness, reaching deep into the realms of our cognitive abilities. Regular physical activity acts as a powerful brain booster, enhancing memory, attention, and overall cognitive function. When you engage in exercise, your heart rate elevates, pumping more blood and oxygen to your brain. This surge in blood flow nourishes brain cells, promoting the growth of new neurons in the hippocampus, a brain region crucial for memory formation. Think of exercise as a workout for your brain, strengthening its capacity to learn, remember, and recall information. Whether it's a brisk walk, a swim, or a dance class, incorporating movement into your routine can significantly impact your memory. Research has shown that even moderate exercise, such as 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week, can lead to significant improvements in memory function. Exercise not only enhances the birth of new brain cells, but also strengthens the connections between them, facilitating faster and more efficient information processing. Moreover, exercise combats stress, a notorious memory saboteur. So get moving and experience the remarkable cognitive benefits of exercise firsthand. Just like our bodies need regular exercise, our brains thrive on mental stimulation. Engaging in activities that challenge our cognitive abilities is like taking our brains to the gym. These mental workouts strengthen neural connections, enhancing memory, attention, and overall cognitive flexibility. Think of it as cross-training for your brain, keeping it agile and adaptable. Puzzles such as crosswords or Sudoku are classic examples of brain-boosting activities. They require us to think critically, solve problems, and access our memory banks. Similarly, learning a new language challenges our cognitive reserves, promoting neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change and adapt throughout life. The key is to choose activities that you find enjoyable and engaging. If you love to read, delve into a new genre or challenge yourself with a complex novel. If you enjoy socializing, engage in stimulating conversations, join a book club, or volunteer in your community. By incorporating mental exercises into your routine, you're actively investing in your cognitive health. So challenge yourself, embrace new experiences, and unlock the full potential of your remarkable brain. Sleep, the ultimate brain booster. In our fast-paced world, sleep is often sacrificed. However, prioritizing sleep is crucial for optimal brain function, especially memory consolidation. During sleep, our brains work tirelessly, processing and consolidating information gathered throughout the day. Think of it as your brain's nighttime cleaning crew, tidying up and organizing memories for future retrieval. When we don't get enough sleep, our brains can't function at their best. Memory consolidation is impaired, making it difficult to remember information learned or experienced the previous day. Sleep deprivation also negatively impacts attention, focus, and decision-making abilities, further hindering our cognitive performance. Prioritizing 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night is like hitting the reset button for your brain, allowing it to recharge and optimize its functions. Establishing a regular sleep routine, creating a conducive sleep environment, and practicing relaxation techniques before bed can significantly improve sleep quality. Making sleep a non-negotiable priority is a powerful investment in your cognitive health. Remember, a well-rested brain is a high-performing brain. Stress, the memory killer. Stress is a natural part of life, but chronic stress can have detrimental effects on our brains, particularly our memory. When we experience stress, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that, in small doses, helps us cope with challenges. However, prolonged exposure to high cortisol levels can damage brain cells in the hippocampus, a key memory center. Imagine your brain as a sponge. A healthy brain with low stress levels is like a dry sponge, capable of absorbing new information efficiently. However, a stressed brain is like a sponge soaked in water, unable to absorb much more. Stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga can effectively lower cortisol levels, protecting your brain from stress-induced damage. Engaging in activities you enjoy, spending time with loved ones, and prioritizing self-care are also crucial for stress reduction and cognitive well-being. By adopting healthy coping mechanisms and prioritizing stress reduction, you can protect your brain from its harmful effects and maintain a sharper, more resilient memory. Social connections building cognitive reserve. Humans are social creatures by nature, and maintaining strong social connections is not only good for our emotional well-being, but also crucial for our cognitive health, including memory. Engaging in meaningful social interactions challenges our brains, keeping them active and engaged. Think of social interaction as a workout for your brain, strengthening its cognitive muscles. Conversations require us to access our memory banks, retrieve information, and formulate responses, stimulating various cognitive processes. Socializing also exposes us to new experiences, perspectives, and information, enriching our cognitive reserves and enhancing our brain's adaptability. Studies have shown that people with strong social connections tend to have better cognitive function and a lower risk of cognitive decline as they age. Conversely, social isolation is like neglecting your brain, allowing it to weaken and atrophy. Make an effort to connect with others regularly. Nurturing your social connections is a powerful investment in your cognitive health. Remember, a connected brain is a healthy brain. The power of nature, bringing it all together. Stepping outside and immersing ourselves in nature can be incredibly restorative, not only for our mental and emotional well-being, but also for our cognitive function, including memory. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can improve attention, reduce stress, and boost creativity. Nature provides a much-needed break from the constant stimulation of our modern world, allowing our brains to rest and recharge. Imagine your brain as a cluttered room. Spending time in nature is like opening the windows and letting in fresh air, clearing out the clutter and creating a sense of spaciousness. Nature walks, gardening, or simply sitting under a tree can all have a positive impact on our cognitive function. Incorporate nature into your daily routine. These small changes can make a big difference in your cognitive health. Remember, nature is a powerful ally in our quest for a healthier, sharper brain. Real-life transformations, stories of memory enhancement. The principles discussed in this essay are not just theoretical concepts, they have the power to transform lives. Countless individuals have experienced remarkable memory improvements by adopting brain-healthy habits. Take, for example, Sarah, a busy professional who struggled to remember names and appointments. Feeling overwhelmed and frustrated, she decided to make lifestyle changes. She started incorporating brain-boosting foods into her diet, such as blueberries, salmon, and walnuts. She also began a regular exercise routine, going for a brisk walk during her lunch break. To challenge her brain, Sarah took up Sudoku and started learning a new language. The results were remarkable. Within weeks, Sarah noticed a significant improvement in her memory. She could easily recall names, remember appointments, and felt sharper and more focused throughout the day. John, a retired teacher, also experienced the transformative power of brain-healthy habits. Concerned about age-related memory decline, he started incorporating daily walks into his routine and joined a chess club to challenge his cognitive abilities. He felt more mentally agile, engaged, and confident in his abilities. Conclusion: unlock your memory potential. Enhancing your memory is within your reach. By embracing brain-healthy habits, you can unlock your memory's full potential and experience the joy of a sharper, more resilient mind. Remember, it's never too late to start investing in your cognitive health. Fuel your brain with a nutritious diet rich in brain-boosting foods. Engage in regular physical activity to nourish brain cells. Challenge your cognitive abilities with mental exercises. Prioritize quality sleep to consolidate memories. Manage stress effectively to protect your brain from damage. Nurture social connections to enhance cognitive reserve. And immerse yourself in nature's restorative power. These simple yet powerful strategies, when combined, create a synergistic effect, optimizing your brain's function and enhancing your memory's capacity. Embrace these habits and embark on a journey towards a sharper, more vibrant, and fulfilling life powered by the remarkable capabilities of your brain. Remember, a healthy brain is a happy brain, capable of experiencing the world with clarity, joy, and a profound sense of wonder.